Welcome. Today, I'm not even sure I'll add it in the title of renovating this old property. Let me show you the progress so far. All right, so we are going to go inside. Over the last 2 or 3 days, we haven't done much at all. Everyone is taking a little break, feeling under the weather, but we did get 15 sheets of drywall delivered. Also some backer board. Check it out. I think we got like 10 or something of these. The toilets in, more plywood, 2x4s. The bathroom will begin Monday, which is 2 days from now. So hopefully within a week or two, this bathroom will be done. As you can see, the old metal piece that was right here got removed. Check it out, plywood added right here. More electrical work ran. We will need to reattach it to the bottom, but we ended up putting some waterproofing, some I don't even know what that's called, but we ended up putting it underneath the kitchen, this entire area underneath right here. Check it out. We ended up putting these 4 pieces of plywood. Obviously, nothing is screwed on yet. We're just cutting into place the measurements to see how many more we have to order. We still have to attach the electrical lines, the new ones that were ran for the HVAC system. As you can see, they're simply just hanging on the wood. They're not attached like that one. So that will be done probably tomorrow. Then we will seal this entire floor. Also, we added insulation all across the edge right here. That is where a bunch of cold air was coming in. So insulation is all across this line. We still have a ton more insulation to put in, but slowly but surely, everything is getting done. And when we go into this room, the pieces of the flooring that were right here were cut as well. So a new piece of plywood can lay on top of that beam. As you can see right here, we got a bunch of insulation ordered. Also, a bunch of parts for the water heater, the toilet, and stuff like that. We ordered a bunch of other stuff as well, but Lowe's ended up messing up our entire order. So over the last like 4 days, we've been going back and forth with Lowe's trying to get the orders corrected. The water heater that I ordered was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but they stated that it is not in the store, so it will have to be till December 14th, which is like a month away. I was like, yeah, we're not gonna wait. So I ended up canceling that order, which affected the delivery date on the order. So all the stuff got delivered late. And when the order came in, half of the stuff was totally wrong. The shower pan that we ordered, they gave us the real small square one instead of the long 60-inch. So they ended up returning that. The door that we ordered for the bathroom was not even on the truck at all. So they forgot the door completely. And obviously the water heater and a bunch of other stuff. So right now we're simply waiting on stuff to be delivered from Lowe's. We're waiting on a bunch of stuff, the water heater, flooring, and some other stuff as well. Hopefully Monday, everything will be delivered on time. Still have the 2 windows that need to be put in, one in the kitchen and then this one right here. But my main focus right now is to get the plywood delivered. That way we can finish off this floor, close everything up, finish this area right here, and then finish the floor in the bathroom. Then we can start on the outlets. Then we can start putting the molding around the windows, getting all of this stuff fixed and ready to go. But the good news from this video is that the HVAC system is completely done. Obviously, we still have to turn on the gas, but that will be done Monday or Tuesday as well. As you can see up there, I don't have a ladder, but the whole new system has been installed. It is awesome. New vents. Let me go outside so I can show you the unit on top of the roof. All right, check it out right there. Brand new unit. I was going to put it on the side, but the guy was like, man, you should put it on the roof. That way nobody messes with it. If you look at other properties, everyone's is on the roof. So I'm like, all right, Let's put it on the roof. Also, he made it way easier to install because the furnace is inside the roof as well. So a lot less lines to run and all of that stuff. Plus now right here where the old unit was, now we got some empty space, which is pretty good. Obviously the dumpster is gone, so we're collecting trash in here. I will be getting some garbage bags to move the trash away. Let me go in the front. All right, so in the front, no major work. It's the windows. I did trim the bushes a little bit. Check it out. Still gotta haul that off. Slowly but surely, everything is slowly being finished. Obviously, the couple days that we took off work was definitely needed. Now everyone is fully rested. My voice is back to normal and we're ready to get back to work. So hopefully in the next couple of days, we are going to see a lot of progress in this property. I can't wait to show you guys the future videos. The majority of the hard work, the electrical, the HVAC, the plumbing is all done. Now starts the cosmetic stuff to make this house look beautiful. So now let's take a look how much money we have spent and how much money we have left. On day 21, we spent $1,500 on the HVAC. We are paying the HVAC guy in increments, so that is one of the increments. Day 22, we spent no money and we did not do any work whatsoever. It was a rest day for everyone. And on day 23, I ended up ordering all the material for the bathroom, including the drywall, the backer board, the shower pan, the toilet, all of that stuff, which came out to $1,707.44. This also includes a brand new door for the bathroom. I also spent $44.63 on gas. And on day 24, the HVAC system was completely installed, so I ended up paying the HVAC guys $1,850. They did do some other stuff for me. That is why I paid a little bit extra. So on day 25, I ended up buying the plastic that goes underneath the house, the waterproofing, and some couple of other things, and I spent a total of $359.32. And when we take a look at the total expenses so far, we have spent $24,772.90. So we roughly have $5,000 left to complete this house. I can tell you right now, we are definitely going over budget. As of right now, I'm not exactly sure how much over budget we will go, but I'm guessing it will be between $2,000 and $5,000. Hopefully, we do not blow the budget out of the water, but so far, we are definitely not on track. But the good news is the majority of the big stuff has been completed, such as the roof, the HVAC system, the plumbing, the electrical, and the windows. So that is the good news. Now we have a ton of small cosmetic stuff that we need to finish. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick video. If you guys are homeowners and you want to lower your mortgage payment, check out the Steadily link in the description box below. If you are able to lower your insurance costs, your mortgage payment will be lower and you will get to keep more of your own money. And if you are a real estate investor and you have multiple rental properties, give Steadily Insurance a try and see how much money you get to save. Alright everybody, that is all. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.